Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. As I'm sure you're well aware, the coronavirus has claimed the lives of many thousands of innocent people throughout the world, and the coronavirus is now within the United States. We are a cleaning company offering our services to decontaminate and disinfect properties of the coronavirus. If you know of a property anywhere in the United States that needs decontamination, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. We can disinfect and decontaminate buildings both interior and exterior, anywhere inside the United States. If you know of anybody that is in quarantine or a school or a hospital that is in lockdown, those buildings need decontamination immediately. Please feel free to share this video with anybody that you know that has a property that is in need of decontamination of the COVID-19 coronavirus. We are a cleaning company within the United States offering our services for decontamination of the coronavirus. Please give us a call and share this video. 612-919-4185. Thank you.